Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can make animation in Geometry Dash. First things first, you want to go ahead and get the object that you want to animate. In my case, I'm going to be animating this 3D cube, and basically I'll just go ahead and highlight all of these shapes right here. Click on the edit group, and then you want to place them to a free group ID. So click on the add button, and basically from there we can now start adding some keyframes. Now you can do that by navigating to the category right here. And basically we are going to unselect our cube and then move to 1. And from there, let's then find the animation or the keyframe function. Basically, it's going to be this one. So in the animation that I'm going to make is that it will come from here. I'll then click on the copy and paste. Now, of course, you can simply animate this the way you want to, but in my case, to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and do it this way. I'll keep copy and pasting this objects right here, and basically the animation will go something like up, down, and from there, once again, you then want to select all of your keyframes. From here, once again, we are going to group them onto the next free ID. So it's going to be 2. Click add. From there, let's then navigate back to the build options. And basically from here, I'm going to click on the keyframe option. And from here, click on the edit object. And basically, since the keyframes is going to be on the group 2, let's then put that right here. And I want to animate the group number 1, same with this one. And so from there, just click on the OK button and play out your game. As you can see, it will now do the animation that we did right here. Of course, once again, you can animate things the way you want to. For example, if you want to animate a mask, a skull, or if you want to make things bigger, you can just simply do so. But generally, you want to follow this guideline for the keyframes in order to animate your objects. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.